Hello everybody, today we are going to talk about the Gcount function, and as you can guess, this function is having name from get character count, which is what? Getting count of characters that are being extracted from the last extraction operation. And now here is a question, was it this extraction operation when we were extracting characters from the file? So from the function like read, getLine, ignore, these functions can be used with the Gcount to get how many characters were taken. And when would it be good idea to use it? Well, look, here we have a name and surname, and we'd like to know how many characters are being presented by name and surname at once, right? So I don't want to count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I would like to know exactly that it is, I don't know, 25, 14, 16 or something like that. I'd like to know exactly how many characters were taken. So how to do it? Well, let's create a simple program that will what? Get each line until what? Until we get all the things from the file, so until we meet what? End of the file, right? So do while file is not ended, and now we will do file getLine function, which will what? Get extract characters from the file, and we need to save it somewhere. So we need to create a temporary buffer, so for example with 250 bytes. So it is big one. I'm sure there is no name and surname so big. And we are sending here a buffer and how many characters we want to get, unless we meet what? getLine is working like that. We can meet also an end of line character. So it will get 250 characters unless it meets end of line character. Okay, so right now we can send to the output pretty easy that way. And as you can see, we have got here name and surname, and it's working fine. But now I would like to also know how many characters were extracted by each of the getLine. So we need to only do something like Gcount here, and well, let's add a space so it will look better. And as you can see, 21 characters are being presented by my name and surname, 11 by John Smith, 14 by Nicholas Clark. Everything works fine. And the Gcount function is working the same like getLine function. By the same, I mean that it's working on any stream. So you can use it also on cin. And by that, you can check how many characters were typed in the console. So when somebody types something in the console, you can later check how many characters were typed pretty easy with just that function. Okay, that's all in that lesson. Thank you very much.